Howdy folks, I'm just gonna have a quick video to show you how to make rapid infused falernum. Now for this method I decided to go with the rapid infusion method. That means you're gonna need an ISI whipper. These are great little tools for doing infusions. They're also just really great for making whipped cream for your dessert or whatnot. If you don't have one of these and you still want to make falernum, instead of putting it in this whipper, you can just soak the ingredients I'm about to show you in rum overnight instead of putting them in here. I'm just doing this in here because you can do it a lot faster, and it also won't get quite as many of the bitter flavors that maybe you don't want. The great thing about it is, if you're trying to perfect a recipe, you could do a bunch of these in a row to dial in your recipe. It only takes a minute to infuse things in this thing. So yeah, let's check it out. Make some falernum drinks coming up on the channel that were sent in by viewers actually. But in the meantime, let me show you this that I found on a Cocktail Virgin. I'll put a link to it down below. But it's a last word variation, equal parts Batavia Eric, lime, falernum, and yellow chartreuse. What is Batavia Eric, I hear you asking? Well, it is a product from Indonesia. It is made from sugarcane and red rice, which sounds a little weird, but it's really delicious. It's like a kind of a strange rum. It was very popular back in the day for use in punches. It's one of those products that they revived after the cocktail boom got going. Batavia Eric van Oosten. Good stuff. Yeah, man. This drink is called the Eulogy, and I found it on cocktailvirgin.com, where I find a lot of drinks. It's a great place to find drinks. And it uses, you might notice, falernum instead of maraschino, which is, a wild idea I find fascinating, and it's, gets more ideas going in my head, so we'll see what I do about that later. It's like sweet and tart, which I love, and it's just always fascinating to me how a 4-ingredient cocktail can be so complex with so many seemingly not that complex ingredients. Eulogy, check it out, delicious. Hey, thanks for watching. Go ahead and like and subscribe, and if, don't be afraid to make Falernum, it's not that hard. We'll see you next time.